So with the Droplet Digital PCR, it's really exciting. It's a technology for the future, and it really opens the doors to a lot of research questions we were not able to answer before.
The science world today is pushing harder and faster to decode the inner workings of genomes. However, understanding genomes requires powerful, precise tools like Droplet Digital PCR from Bio-Rad. With Droplet Digital PCR, each PCR reaction is divided into 20,000 single nanoliter droplets. Bio-Rad offers two platforms for droplet generation. The QX200 droplet generator provides an entry-level system for scalable digital PCR. Bio-Rad also offers the automated droplet generator, which reduces hands-on time to only 5 minutes. And the automated droplet generator offers more consistent droplet counts, eliminating user-to-user variability. After droplet generation, plates containing droplets are thermal cycled to endpoint. During PCR, targets are amplified using standard probe-based or DNA dye chemistries. Droplet Digital PCR isn't affected by PCR bias, and it quantifies accurately, even in the presence of inhibitors. Once PCR is performed to endpoint, the QX200 droplet reader counts droplets as either positive or negative. PCR droplets containing target DNA molecules count as positive. Unlike real-time PCR, Droplet Digital PCR delivers absolute quantification with unrivaled precision, without the need for a standard curve. Droplet Digital PCR has already led to several research breakthroughs, from environmental monitoring to life-saving liquid biopsies.
If you know that a patient is beginning the process of rejecting an organ, you can change the dose of medication that keeps the immune system from attacking it. With Droplet Digital PCR, when you're doing 20,000 PCRs instead of 10, you now have increased the radar screen to let us know more information and more accurate information than we could before. So this is really breakthrough technology that allows us to reduce to practice the concept of liquid biopsy. We always knew we could do it, we just never had machinery to do it. So making microdroplets have so many reactions at once puts us in the game of making a very important medical diagnostic.
So our goal is to bring the best methodology for testing water to the entire country. And the reason for that is we feel it's going to be more accurate and better protect the public health.
So there's 3 reasons why we're interested in Droplet Digital PCR. One, of course, is provides absolute quantification. The second thing is that digital PCR is more robust against inhibition. The third thing is it allows multiplexing, which means you can measure multiple organisms at once. And it really opens the doors to a lot of research questions we were not able to answer before. So a lot of new projects are getting started because of this technology. So it's fun, it's very exciting.
When a patient presents with leukemia, the bone marrow is packed with leukemic cells. But once the proportion of leukemic cells drops below about 1%, you can't detect them by eye. You need more sensitive detection. In choosing between different instruments, one really needs to look at what one's specific needs are. The Bio-Rad was, it does what we want at the level of sensitivity that we need, and it's quick. So it was the obvious choice.
Droplet Digital PCR, brought to you by Bio-Rad.